Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Ford Ecosport car remote battery. From last week, I was facing trouble to unlock the car and to start the car. So I decided to replace the old batteries with the new one and fix this issue. To change the battery, first, you need to know the required size of the battery which supports this key. So the Ecosport key supports the CR2450 batteries. The original battery which was inside the key was the Panasonic CR2450. So I bought the exact same battery from online. You can also buy it from offline stores also. It costs around 60 to 80 rupees depending upon the companies which you are buying. To change the battery, first you need to get access to the battery by removing the upper cover of the key. These are the Panasonic CR2450 batteries, and they are made in Indonesia, and the batteries which I bought online is exactly the same. So to remove the battery from the cage, you need a sharp thing like a pen or any knife and just apply smoothly on the side. So these are the old original batteries and I am going to replace it with the new ones, and this is the new one. So you can see there is no difference in the batteries, they are exactly same, and both of them are made in Indonesia. So now let's replace the battery and check whether it works or not. And if you want to buy them online, the link will be in the description below, and please consider subscribing our channel for future updates. And if you have any queries about Ford Ecosport, then please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you out. And remember to tighten the upper cover so that there is no loose connection in the battery. And after that you can put your key and lock it. And now let's check whether it works or not. Now I am out after changing the batteries, and as you can see it's working fine. Now let's get inside and try to start the car. Now let's start the car by pressing the push start stop key, and as you can see the car got started and there is no issue now. And yes, so I have replaced the battery from my home only by buying them online, so I don't need to go to the service center or any other to replace the battery. And you can also try it in your home to replace the battery, and there is no issue in changing the batteries. So I have been using this car for more than 2.5 years, and after that I need to change the remote battery. So yeah, it's okay. And thank you guys for watching this video.